Atlantic's basalt columns are a beautiful addition to any garden, hardscape, or pool area, and they are as easy to install as they are attractive. The natural stone hexagons, formed of ancient magma that crystallized as it cooled, are naturally colorful and unaffected by weather. Saw cut at the base so they'll stand straight, columns are snapped on top to enhance texture, color, and water movement, then core drilled top to bottom. At the top, there's a 2-inch diameter pocket 5 inches deep for optional Atlantic warm white and color-changing fountain lights to create a liquid torch effect in the evening. Then it's drilled through to the bottom at a generous 1 3/8" diameter to accommodate plumbing and light cords. There are 4 sizes available: 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch tall, measured from the base to the highest point. No two are alike, but they typically measure from 8 to 12 inches in diameter. Bear in mind these are heavy, dense stone, so be prepared for their weight. And that's everything you could possibly know about Atlantic's basalt columns, but never thought to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website to find out more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.